What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Geek and Geezer Fishing channel. It's that time of year, and I wanted to talk about a specific bait today, the Googan Squad Revolver. It's a Whopper Plopper or a Berkeley Chopo alike, but it is set up differently. It has three segments where the middle part is the part that spins. There are some Googan baits that I haven't tried and that I think are a little gimmicky, but for whatever reason, this Googan Squad Revolver I think is fantastic. I feel like it's louder than the Chopo and the Whopper Plopper, and I've had some really good successes with it. That thing seems to work everywhere. I've got some footage of me fishing it at a big lake like Roosevelt. I've got it at catching some fish at Silverbell Lake, some very small water. I've got some other blow-ups and other fish catches from other lakes like Parker and other lakes like that. So this video is going to be just about the Googan Squad Revolver, catching some fish on it and seeing how it performs. As always, guys, thank you so much for being here. If you're returning, thank you so much for all your support, your continued support. And if you're new, please click subscribe, smash that like button, and leave us some comments down in the comment section. We appreciate it so much. And I'll catch up with you guys out on the water. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Geek and Geezer Fishing channel. Today's video, I am out at Roosevelt Lakes. I've got the Googan style of the Whopper Plopper, the Revolver, and just got here. Hopefully get into some bass. Oh, gosh, did it again. How'd he miss it that time? That was a good one.
I feel like I'm getting better.
It's like I said, it's just repetition and practice.
Hell of a cast. I feel like my weight's not right.
Like it's heavy or it's light?
Light. Or my...
That's a good one. Oh, come on, baby. Stay on. Get down. He got off. No, he didn't. Whew. Calm down, buddy. Calm down, buddy. Ooh. Whew. That was way out there, guys. Holy smokes. Whoo-wee. I was not expecting that one right there. Whew. Oh, thank you, fish. I just went swimming for that bait that I just caught that guy on. Look at that. Man, that was sweet. It's possible, because I mean, I have had some hits on it. Yeah. That might be the case. Oh. Oh, Ryan. There's another one right here with him. I'll see if he stays with him. Dude, I thought he was gonna hit it in his mouth. I thought there was gonna be two on there, dude. There was another one right here. Whew, that's a decent fish. Oh my gosh. Good old buddy. Good buddy.
To these rocks.
And it was bigger than this one. Side by, because he was like side by side. I thought he was gonna try and hit this in his mouth. Oh, good God.
Dude, that's a hog.
Oh, there we go.
Dude.
Whoo-wee. That's a good fish. I'm gonna get some, I guess I'll turn this way. Whew, look at that guy. Whew. Oh, baby. Thank you, fish. Oh, holy smokes, man. Go on, Bubba. And away he goes. It's like a whopper plopper, but it's a Googan Squad one, so it's set up a little different. Big old noisy topwater. I was say, the whopper plopper is badass, but the whopper plopper ain't got shit on this Googan and the Chapo. They're so much more subtle than these. It's just like the whopper plopper, but they put their blade in the middle. The middle joint spins. So instead of only 2 joints, it's got 3.
Well, that's pretty sick.
Yeah. And then I was watching a guy, he was saying that this thing's a little more weedless too, because this blade kind of chops the...
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
But I mean, this thing is... this is all I tried a whopper plopper, but it just wasn't as loud. But I like the sound of it. And I can fish it fast, fish it slow. I'm hoping I can maybe call a couple up, but we'll see. It's shallower over here.
Yeah.
Oh, it snapped off.
No way.
Oh, dude, did you see that explosion? Oh my gosh.
It's alright, I'm going.
Whew. I like that.
I'd like to give me one of those.
Heck yeah.
Are you recording?
I am now.
Oh.
I didn't when it hit it. I switched my battery and then was making that phone call and I forgot. Woo-wee. That's a good one.
Oh, nice one. Absolutely.
Take fish. See if I can step here and not go in the drink. Thank you, fish. There he goes. All right, guys. Well, that wraps up my video of the Googan Squad Revolver. I used that bait at a lot of places. Caught quite a few fish on it. It was really cool to use. Anybody who was around me who's either fished a Chapo or a whopper plopper was just like, what are you throwing? That thing is so loud. I did notice it seems like it's audibly louder. I like the three sections, the way it's set up. I think having that plopping part in the middle makes them hone on the middle of the bait a little better. We definitely still had some blowups and some misses. You're gonna have that anytime you're fishing topwater, but I like the idea of that being the center, the focal point is being the center of the bait. I think you're gonna get more hooks and more fish. But I fished it at big lakes, I fished it at small urban ponds, and I caught fish on it all over the place, had blowups all over the place. I think it's a really cool bait. If you guys feel like checking it out, definitely go. I get mine from shopcarls.com. I get mine from, but yeah, guys, so that wraps up my Googan Squad Revolver video. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, guys, click subscribe, smash that like button, leave us some comments. It helps us out so much, and we appreciate all you guys' support. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch up with you guys next time out on the water.